the factory reset of the Modicon EdgeIO, the main card. Okay, so let's go to the presentation. Good. So the process for factory reset is very simple. Okay, this time. So basically, what we need to do is to remove the name of the Modicon EdgeIO. Okay, I'm going to show you, and pay attention on the switches that we have there. Okay. On the back part, we have some other switches. Only one, in the front we have two, which is for the IP assignment. But this one is for how it's going to be the failure and follow up. Okay, so I'm going to show you the case. So in this case, I'm going to remove it from here. I'm going to remove the feature table. I'm going to remove the name. Yep. Okay. I have here name. So if you pay attention on the side, what over here you have this definition. This one over here in the top it says reset. So we need to grab the driver. Okay, at the moment it's on the standard. So this one over here, I don't know if you can see it, but trust me, it's in the standard. So what we need to do now is to put that in the top, as it shows here, on this position, put it on reset. Okay. Now that is has the reset, we need to put it back again. Okay. So let me just show you the process. Okay. So far, what I have done is to remove the name. Here. So I have removed the name. I just use the screwdriver, put it on the reset, it's pointing to the north. Okay. And then I just need to put it back again. Okay. So I'm going to put it back again. I just want you to see the LEDs on the device. Put it back again. Okay. Disconnecting to a few things. So you're able to see the LEDs here. Okay. Now when it's back, okay, just give it time. Okay. It takes more like 30 seconds. Okay. You know, to be ready for the level class. Right. And then we should be able to access to the Modicon EdgeIO using the default credentials and default IP address. It's in the store and in the store position. Okay. We just need to wait for the run and sec on solid green, okay, which is this one and this one. So I don't believe that is correct. So when we put back the feature table, there we go. There we go. But nothing's going to happen, okay? Because now that it's on reset, everything is fine. We need to remove it. No. We need to remove it, and then we need to move from the top arrow to the standard position, to any of the standard positions, okay? We're going to the south, in case you want it, and then we're going to put it back again. Put it back again. Let's start again. And then everything should be fine. So let's take a look on the next slide that will give us information about which are the default configuration of the item. Okay, so by default, we have the IP address 10.10 and the last 4 digits of the MAC address. The MAC address, as is shown in the picture, can be found here at the bottom next to the rotary switches. Okay, so I recommend to use the store just to play with it at the beginning. So this one we have the default IP address, which is 10.10, the 4 digits. The subnet mask is 355.0.0.0. Okay, so we should be able to access to this web page. Okay, so let me just open one of the browsers. And here it's going to be 10.10.62. It's going to be here 62.178. Here should be able to see that I have advanced. Yes, proceed. I should be able to connect to the lights. There we go. Brilliant. It has a different premium version. So this one's going to be security admin. The password is going to be 338. So 1234 1234. Next, Control B. Login the password. Okay. Administrator 1. Administrator 1. Change password. Change successfully. Brilliant. Good. So now what we can do is to play around with the scan configuration. This is just to check the actual configuration of the island. Proceed. That doesn't matter this part. Just going to change the IP address. 192.168.1.12, which is the one that is used for this. 255.0. 192.168.1.1. Okay, the rest, it doesn't matter at the moment. I'm going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to build configuration. Okay. And then I'm going to download this to the target. I should only last communication. Okay. One. And that's it. So ping 102.168.1.12. You should be able to see that I have the connection up again. The other one is no longer available, so I need to. It's okay because it's trying to point to the previous one to additional is no longer available, so we need to go to 102.168.1.12. If once proceed and access again to the same device. Go to time. Security admin administrator 1. There we go. This is the one that I have connected and working with. As you can see, all the LEDs are green at the top. Okay, so this is how we can how you can make the factory reset on the Modicon Edge I. As you can see, it's very simple. It's just when everything is plugged in, just remove the name, go with the back part, put on the reset, connect again the name, then just wait for the run and set the solid green, remove it back, just turn it on the previous position that you have on the advanced to standard, put it back again, the name, and then there we go. We're going to use this factory resets, okay? We just reset also the credentials and everything, so this is going to go. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.